So guys, this is Blockmesh. Okay, I promised to make a video on how to go about this, and this thing is time sensitive. So you guys have to, um, do this as soon as you are seeing this video. Okay, you have to do this as soon as you're seeing this video. So what you have to do is to, I think I'm using PC to do this. So um, if you're using phone at this point, you see three lines, just click on it and then come to packs. See packs right here. I hope we all can see my cursor. So when you click on packs, this is the Intract quest, okay, that you have to do. You have to click on this, or I will drop the link to this Intract quest in the video description. I'll put it in the video description so that anyone can copy it straight, okay, to go and do what you want to do. So let me get the link now. I'm trying to get the link. So this is it. So they say go to Blockmesh Intract page. So I click on it. But you don't need to do all this because I will just push the link directly in the video description. So this is the Intract page. Okay, so what you have to do is to sign in. So make sure you use the mail you used in registering your Blockmesh. That's the same mail you're going to use to sign in. Okay, so I'm using my mail now to sign in. Okay, or you sign up, anyone. I've already signed up on this, so I'm signing in with the email. If your own show you sign up, you need to sign up with the same email you used to sign up on your Blockmesh account. So once you have signed up, okay, once you have signed in or sign up or anything, the first thing you have to do is to follow them. Okay, just click on follow. See follow right here. You just follow them. So you scroll down. Now you see all of the things that you have to do. They say follow Blockmesh on Twitter, connect your Blockmesh email to Intract personal page. So they say verify your identity. They say 30 plus humanity points and all of this. So let me start doing this one by one so that we can see. Okay, so just follow the video step by step. So the next thing is you start by clicking on follow them on Twitter. So it says connect my Twitter account. So you click on connect Twitter account. So let me connect and then we proceed. So I just connected my Twitter. So when you click on the tags, it takes you straight up to your X for you to follow them. I believe everyone can do that, right? So let me do that and then proceed. So I followed them. You have to come back to the tags, click on verify. Although before now we all have been following them. So this one is verified, 20 XP collected. So the next they say connect your Blockmesh email or your Intract personal page. So you click on it. So they say steps to connect your email to personal account. You need to click on, you see this link here, you need to tap on it. Okay, it will take you to the next page. So they say you are about to leave Intract.io, redirect the link to blah blah blah. So you need to continue. So you can still come back to this page and then click on next. Okay, this place now, let it load so that I will show you guys what to do. So this is the page. Okay, as you can see, my score is just 9. I just have 9 points here. That's because I have not connected. You see all this social, you say connect your Discord, connect your FAQ. I will connect this one later. They say your GitHub account, your Google account, all these account, your Twitter account. When you have all this, okay, proof of uniqueness, connect your Binance account that have bound token or things like that. But let's leave this side for now. But this side, if you can complete most of the points here. Now here, you see here now, okay, if you're using phone, do this on Message browser and change your view to desktop site. Okay, if you connect all of this, okay, you have enough point because the point here has to hit 30, okay, before you can complete that Intract quest. Okay, so at this Gmail side, the Gmail I connected here was the Gmail I used in opening my Blockmesh account, right? So that's the mail I connected here. So Let me come back to this side. So at this point, you can click on next. Okay, you see it, you see the thing they are showing there. So that's what I'm talking about. So next, so you click on link, click the below button to open the link. So you click on it, you continue. I don't know why they are still bringing this up again. So you see, it still brought us back to this place again, but we don't need to do continue all of that. So see, as long as you have from here now, you can do all of that. Connect all those connectable things. Okay, after connecting them, all these things here, you now come back and click on verify. So it's verifying now. See, it's verifying. So let me wait a bit. So as you can see, it's now verified. It just showed me verified. So I've collected that point. So the one here, the last one here is verify your identity. So you need to have 30 plus humanity points and any one KYC. Any one KYC is all any of these. They say verify Binance KYC Intract, like any of them that you can verify, either BYBIT or Binance or any of them. So let me show. I can't be able to do this now because I have not completed it. So when you complete it on your own, completing it is coming here. Okay, coming here to complete all of this to score 30. As you're completing all of these things, you see all this. As you're linking all of this, the score here is increasing. If the score here is up to 30, then you can come back here and claim this point. Okay, when you claim it, you now come here and claim any one of these. You don't need to claim all, just one. You are good. Okay, so when you have done that, you now come back to your Blockmesh account. You see that everything is done. Everything will be done. Okay, so I need to finish mine and then we continue. Okay, and guys, the way this thing is, for you to complete any of this, you need to have installed your ZK Pass extension. Okay, and this thing will be really hard for most of you. I'll keep this link in the video description, this ZK Pass link. You need to have installed the extension. Okay, so you need to install it in your extension and then complete KYC in any of those exchanges like BYBIT or if I just use BYBIT, then log in your BYBIT into your Mrs. Browser extension like this as well. If it doesn't work, you use VPN. Okay, you use VPN to log in your BYBIT, because I think me personally, my BYBIT is logged in here. One of the accounts I have on BYBIT is logged in here, so it will be easy for me. Right now, when you open this extension, you need to connect the same wallet that you connected to this Intract, the same MetaMask wallet. Use the same MetaMask wallet you connected here. That's the same MetaMask wallet you connect here. Okay, so as you can see now, I'll just connect my MetaMask wallet. Okay, so the same thing is what you have to do. If you use a different wallet, it means you're creating a brand new account, a different account for this. So it has to be the same MetaMask wallet. Okay, so let me connect my account. So when you have done this, when you have installed this extension and connected your wallet, you need to come back to this Intract page. Okay, you see this point, you come here, because if you can do just one of these, this one alone carries 100 points. That is okay for you to do whatever thing you want to do. So you don't click on this connect, just tap on this up here, so it brings this up. Now you can now say connect. Okay, so click on connect. So let's see if it will pick up our ZK Pass extension. So you see the same VPN issue something, so I have to turn on my VPN to see if I can access my BYBIT account. So you have to get your account signed in. Once you sign your account, you see this thing here, it will pop up immediately. So I'm trying to sign in my account now. I just use VPN. Okay, 217068. So once that happens, you just need to click on this start here, hit on that start button. So as you can see, you just have to be patient and allow everything to load properly. Okay, so everything is done. So I now click on start on this. So I think it's going to be done automatically. This is just to verify. Okay, they are doing all this just to remove side bills. Okay, so it's still loading, so I have to pause and wait. When this thing goes through, we proceed. So as the thing happened, it said that it was, as it was running, everything just happened automatically. As you can see, it's claimed everything is done right here. Okay, so this is how you can do this is how to go about this. So I can close this. If I come up here, you see we now have 109 points, easy peasy. So we have done this. So you can now come back to this place and then click on this. Let's click on verify. Okay, click on verify. So it's verified, right? So it's verified. So you now come back to this. So the one I did was BYBIT. You just have to choose one of them and do. So you see I have the 100 points already. So just have to click on verify. Okay, when you click on the thing itself, it will just draw it down so that you can verify everything. So as you can see, I have verified everything. 180 XP's end. So this is how to do the Intract quest on Blockmesh. Okay, so let's come back to this page now. You can now reload. Let me reload this and see. Let me go back to dashboard. So the thing is that you have done it. Okay, you've done it, is that you've done it. So there is you see Intract synced. So when you are done, just come and click on this thing here, this Intract. You click on it, it will show you synced. So it has been synced into your account. So at least I think by doing this, you are good to go. Okay, so this is all that we have to do. Make sure the email you use in your Intract is the same email you have here. Connect, if this wallet address, you need to add it as your Solana wallet address as well, so that everything will be fine. Okay, so this is basically how to do this, right? Yeah, so thank you guys and have a nice day. And meanwhile, all the links needed, the extension link and then the Intract link as well, I will keep all that in the video description. You just pick it up from there. Okay, and do whatever thing you want to do. Yeah, so that is it. And remember to first create your Intract account. If you have not created before, the link will be in the video description. Create the account first before you start doing all of this. In fact, you can create the account first, then log in your BYBIT account on this your Mrs. browser, or if you're using PC on your Chrome, log in your BYBIT so that everything will be easy for you to do. Okay, create your Intract account, log in your BYBIT account in your Mrs. browser, log it in into your Mrs. browser using VPN. Then finally install that ZK Pass extension. I will drop all the links one by one, step by step in the video description. Just follow them one by one so that everything will be easy for you to do, right? So thank you guys and have a nice day.